15-year war shot by cops, imitation firearm seized. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOM, has launched an investigation into the fatal shooting of a 15-year-old male along Water Lane in the vicinity of Water Lane bus stop in Kingston. The deceased has been identified as Naranda Booth. The incident took place on August 24th at approximately 10:30 p.m. The police in their report stated that 3 officers were on mobile patrol when they were fired on by a group of 4 men. The police returned the fire and 2 men escaped. One surrendered and one was seen with what appears to be gunshot wounds. The teenager was transported to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. One bored imitation firearm wrapped in a black tape was reportedly recovered from the incident scene. Processing of the crime scene was carried out by INDECOM, including the collection of forensic exhibit and the recovered firearm, swabbing of the hands of the deceased individual for gunpowder residue, and sealing of the service firearm for the concerned officers for testing. INDECOM encourages members of the public to assist in the investigative process by contacting the Commissioner's head office or sending information, photos or videos to INDECOM official WhatsApp at 876-553-5555. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.